So, actually, the last 5 stations are inside the church, where we saw, where they took off his dress, where they nailed him, where he was crucified, where they cleaned the body, and the tomb of Jesus. These are the last 5 stations. The rest of the stations are outside the church. During the time of Jesus, when you are coming here, here is already you are exiting the walls. At the time of Jesus, the city was smaller, not like today. It means from here and down was the old city. From here and up was outside the city. You notice that we are going like down because the Calvary is higher. Than the road. So, station number 7, Jesus actually is falling down the second time. He falls down 3 times on number 3, on number 7, and on number 9. 8 and 9 are very, very far. We will not walk over. Every time you see the station of the cross, you see this sign on the road, you see kind of a half circle. Okay, this is symbolizing one of the stations. Ayos? So totally 14, this is number 7. Okay? Make a photo and we go down to number 6.
Okay. Number 7. Okay. Punta na namin sa station number 6. Kaya doon pala sa taas yung pataas 8 to 14. Hindi na yan, sir? Inubit na yan, sir? Tapos, pinasan-pasan ni Jesus yung cross.
Station number 6.
Number 6.
First of all, don't forget today we are going down. Weather is nice, it's not hot, something.
Yeah.
Jesus was climbing up. He was carrying the cross. He was sweating.
Yeah, climbing.
Let him pass, guys. Let him pass. Make a way. And here he met one lady by the name of Veronica. She came. She was white.
Yes, give some water.
This happened here. The station.
Number 6.
The station. This is a small Greek Catholic monastery. Okay, and they make some handmade icons for horses and fortunes. Ayos?
Yes.
Proceed to number 5.
5. Okay.
Station number 5, guys. This was actually walking from that side, and then he turned to the right side. When he came here, it was very tight. And his left hand, this is the sign of his left hand, his father. This is the original sign of the hand of Jesus, the left hand. And who came to help him? Jesus, one guy by the name of Simon, right?
Simon.
He took the cross, but he carried for a few meters. But then the soldiers told him, give back the cross to Jesus, let him to go.
Ang laki ng palad ng Lord Jesus. Tingnan mo yung palad to. Ang laki. Malawak pa. Lord, tawarin mo kami sa aming mga kasalanan.
This way.
Christian.
Christian.
Okay, sir. Station of the Cross. Dito sila sa station.
This way, please.
So, ayan. Mga bata, papunta namin. Pahingan niya sa wishing wall na kaya ang ubang station kay sirado. Hindi na naman to matutanan. So, na shortcut na lang ni.
And it's like in the port. You come to the side. If you have some metals, take it out.
Ito na entrance na kuhan, wishing wall.